This tenant stopped paying, so I gotta cut open their lock and get it ready for auction tomorrow. I have no clue what's in here, so let's take a look. The way my facility works is that there's actually one light switch for each side of the hallways. This light, it's a timer switch. This turns on this side of the hallway, and this one turns on this side of the hallway. Gotta get the light on before I go into the unit so that way we can have light and see what's going on. All right, here we go. Timer, good. Let's go back. Okay. Record time for getting into a lock? Maybe? I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what's inside. And the moment we've been waiting for. Okay, so he's got a cot of some sort, some clothing, drum set, tools. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like rock climbing gear, boots. More tools. And there we go. I got my pictures taken, so now I'll lock up the unit and then I will list it on storagetreasures.com tomorrow. This is a unit that I locked out before with this, and they have their own 2 locks in here. I've got to take off my lock, cut these locks open, and see what's inside this unit. I've got to auction this one as well. I cut them right here at the top, you can see, instead of trying to cut in the actual lock or the latch part itself, because I don't want to cut my latch. I want to keep it secure. And I did nick it a little bit in here, but for the most part, my latch is intact and it's going to be good. And then I just take off the locks this way. Well, having some struggles getting this thing to come off. Now it's time to get this one off. If I can. Holy cow. Okay. There we go. Okay, so got some stuff up there, more containers. Thank you everyone for watching that video. I'm so excited to bring a more in-depth look into the self-storage industry and what it's like to own and operate your own facility. I hope you enjoyed seeing what it's like to go into some of these units, not knowing what's in there, and then seeing the different things that people have stored. It's really interesting. I've got a ton of videos on TikTok showcasing this, but I can take a more in-depth view here on YouTube, and I'm excited to have you all on the journey with me. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.